Hi students, let me start with a new chapter, chapter 17, speed. What is speed? Speed of a body is the distance covered by the body in unit time. So, speed is equal to distance by time. And distance is equal to speed into time. Time is equal to distance by speed. From this, you are getting the other two formulas. Now, note few things. If distance is in meter and time is in second, then the speed is in meter per second, or it will be denoted like this. Okay, it is denoted as meter per second. Next, this is that meter per second. Now, if distance is in kilometer, then the time is in hour, then the speed is in kilometer per hour. So you represent it like this, kilometer per hour. Okay. So now let me do few problems based on this. So we'll get a clear idea on it. Okay. Fine. Let me do exercise 17A. It's in page number 157 in your textbook. Page number 157. Let me start with exercise 17A. Exercise 17A. First question. A train covers 51 km in 3 hours. So distance is 51 km, right? Distance is equal to 51 km. Time taken is equal to 3 hours. So a train covers a distance of 51 km in 3 hours. Calculate its speed. How far does the train go in 30 minutes? Okay. So first let me find out the speed of the train. So speed equal to, what's the formula for speed we learned? Speed is distance by time, correct? We have already learned it is distance by time. So let me do that. Distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. We have distance as how much? 51. Time is 3. What is 51 by 3? 51 by 3 is, in 55, 3 goes one time, 3, 21, so you get 17. So your answer will be 17. What is in unit? 17. If distance is in kilometer and time is in hour, we already learned it here. It's kilometer per hour will be the unit. Okay. So that is the speed. Now what you need to find out? How far does the train go in 30 minutes? So by chance, if time is 30 minutes, you need to find out how far. Speed you already have. So 30 minutes, convert it into hour, what you'll get? 1 by 2 hour, right? 30 minutes means 30 by 60. Correct? 30 minutes is 30 by 60. Cancelling 0, you have 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2 hours. Okay, 1 by 2 hours. Now, what do you need to find out? How far? That is a distance. What is distance? Formula for distance? Distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. So let me use that. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed we already found. What is the speed we found? 17 km per hour. Into time is 1 by 2. Okay. So that is equal to, distance will be 17 by 2. 17 by 2 is 2. 8s are 16, 1. So we'll get 8, 1 by 2 kilometer. That is equal to 8.5 kilometers. Is it clear? So let me do the second question now. Coming to the second question. Look at the second question. A motorist traveled the distance between two towns, which is 65 km in 2 hours and 10 minutes. Find the speed in meter per minute. Okay. So it's little complicated. We need to convert here. So just have a look at the question. Okay. I shall explain it to you now. Okay. So distance between two towns is, distance is given, second question. Distance is given as how much? 65 kilometer. Okay, and in how many hours he is traveling? Time is 2 hours 10 minutes. So you need to find his speed in meter per second. How do we find it out? Okay, in order to do that, let me first convert distance into, distance is given in kilometer. Let me convert that kilometer into meter. You know that 1 kilometer equal to 100,000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, right? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. You have learned it in your smaller classes, right? So I can write the distance as, distance is equal to 65 kilometer, that is equal to 65,000 meter. Now time is in hour. So hour, if I convert it into minutes, what you have learned? You have learned your conversion since your second standard, right? So same conversion we are doing. 2 hours to minute. 2 into 60 plus 10 minutes plus 10. Just have a look. 2 into 60 plus 10. 2 into 60 is 120. Why you are using the 60 here? Because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 120 plus 10 is equal to 130 minutes. 130 minutes. So this is how you do it. Now what do you need to find out? You need to find out the speed in meter per minute. Now we are getting it in meter per minute, right? So meter per minute only they have asked you to find, not second. Okay, just have a look first at the question. What is it given? So speed is equal to distance by time. What is the distance? You already have the distance as 65,000 meter and time is 130 minute. So let me substitute that. 65,000 divided by 130. Cancel again. 6,500 by 13. We already know that 13 5s are 65. So 0, so 0. So we'll get the answer as 500. So speed is equal to 500 meter per minute. Okay, this is how you do it. Hope it's clear to you all. Now let me explain you the third question. A train travels 700 meters in 35 seconds. Find its speed in kilometer per hour. So all these cases you need to convert. Okay, you have learned your conversion since your smaller classes. So conversion will be easier for you. So you can just convert it. So what is the question? Third one. Let me change the color. Okay. Train travels, distance traveled is, distance is equal to 700 meters. 700 meter in kilometer will be 700 divided by 1000, right? 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. 700 meters. So cancel them. So what you get? 0.7 kilometer. Okay. Now coming to the time. Time is already given to you in, time is equal to 35 seconds. Time is equal to 35 seconds. Okay. So now we can find, you need to find it in hour. How do you find it in hour? 35 by 3600. What's the reason for that? 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Hope it's clear to you. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 1 hour can be written as 60 into 60 seconds. That is equal to 3600. Okay. So you'll get it as 35 by 3600. That is the distance by this. So how will you find it? 5. So if you need, you can just keep this as 7 by 10 also. Calculation will be easier for you. 5 goes 7 times in 35, right? And 5 here, how many times you can check? 5 goes in 35 7 times. 1 remains 720. Okay, now we have 7 by 720. How can we solve it? Just we will take it as What is speed? Formula for speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. What is the distance we have? Distance we already found as 7 by 10 by 7 by 720. Okay. You multiply it like this, right? Fractions you can multiply it like this. So you will get it as 7 into 720 by 10 into 7. So 7 and 7 is getting cancelled here. Okay. Then 10 and 10 is getting cancelled. So you'll get it as 72 kilometer per hour. Hope it's clear to you all. Okay. So since this chapter is new to you, I'm doing only 3 questions. Just go through the questions. Okay. Hope it's clear to you all. And here the steps are also clear to you. So write down the notes, whatever I've given in the video, whatever I've written here. Same way you write down it in your notes. Only this much you have to write in your notes. Then start with the exercise. Do these 3 questions in your classwork. Okay. Then we shall continue the rest of them in the next class. Okay students. Thank you.